Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup, well really like an eyeshadow tutorial. But yeah, so what I plan on doing, I want to do brown and pink. So I'm really excited about this look, and if you're interested, just keep watching. All right, y'all. So as always, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some Vaseline on my face as well. That's just like a primer, a base. If you don't have makeup primer, just use Vaseline. It's still gonna create that barrier between your skin and your makeup and help keep your skin moisturized. So now I'm just going to fill in the corners or wherever you need your eyebrows filled in, just fill that in first, and then after you do that, you want to just comb them out again. Now I did have some eyebrow gel, but I don't have that anymore. So if you have eyebrow gel and you use it, this would be when you put your eyebrow gel on. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with my concealer, and as you can see, I'm just gonna go in with my brush. I mean, I don't know how to explain this part, but you just want to get you a brush and basically outline the top and the bottom of your eyebrow. Now to make this look, or if you're going for like a more natural look, you can put the lighter concealer on the bottom of your eyebrow, and then at the top you can just use like your foundation just to, clean it up. Just so, I guess, if you're not looking for such a dramatic look, that'll be an easier way to do it. So now that I have one eyebrow done, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that up. I just like to do that because it's just easier to blend everything out at the end. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing to the other brow, and yeah. All right, so after you've got both of your eyes done and primed, and what I just did was I just brought that concealer down to my eyelid, and now I'm just blending everything out just like I was doing before. And also, y'all, if it helps, you can also spray some setting spray on your beauty blender before you blend, and it'll just help blend out the product a little bit better. So now I'm going to use this setting powder by Juvia's Place. It's in the color Gobi, and I'm just going to pat that on my eyelid. This is something I always do because it mattes your eyelid and it keeps it from creasing. I used to have problems with my eyeshadow creasing, but now I don't have those problems. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this mixed chocolate palette that I got from my beauty supply store, and I'm just going to apply it like over, I don't want to say over my lid, but I'm just gonna apply it like in my crease area. But for me, my crease is a little bit higher because I I have hooded lids, so I'm gonna place the color a little bit above my crease and just work that in. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just putting this shimmery pink color on my lid just to brighten it up and, just make the look more glamorous. I love glitter, y'all. I love glitter. And I love pink. So, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. And with glitter, y'all, you have to really be careful because glitter can get everywhere, okay? So, be careful. Alright, y'all, so now for the rest of the face, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight under my eye and under my nose. And I'm just going to use the same concealer that I used before. Really simple, really easy. So the blush that I'm using is actually, y'all, a creamed lipstick, but I didn't feel like it's a powder lipstick. That's what it's called, a powder lipstick. I didn't really like it using it on my lips, so I just used it as a blush. And now what I'm going to do is take my concealer and cover up my dark spots under my chin area and on my sideburns. So once I got that covered, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend all of that out. This is just going to help conceal my scarring under my chin and on my face. Now, in between steps like this, I like to go ahead and spray my face with setting spray because that just helps it stay longer and last longer. So after I did that, I'm just going to let it sit probably about a good minute. Just you want to make sure it dries. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and I'm going to start blending it out. Alright, y'all, so with blending, I like to blend out my lighter areas first. So, for instance, everything that I concealed, I blend that out first. And then I'll go in and blend out this blush if I want to. But normally, I don't even blend the blush out that much because when I put on my foundation, I still want to be able to see it a little bit. So, I'm not going to blend that in. So the foundation that I'm using is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Now, a part of makeup, y'all, you have to really do your best to make it look like your skin. So once again, I just sprayed my setting spray after I blend it. So I'm gonna take my foundation and I always start in my chin and my neck area. And I do that because I want to get that coverage around my chin area to cover up those scars. And then I just move up toward my face. And as y'all can see, I haven't added any more foundation to my brush yet. So basically, I apply it in my lower half of my chin area and then work everything else up. And I usually don't have to get any more foundation until I get to my forehead. So that's really good and it helps to basically bring everything together. All right, so after that step of putting on my foundation, oh my goodness, I got tongue tied. I'm just gonna spray some more setting spray, and then I'm gonna go back in with my powder, and I'm gonna apply my powder in the same areas that I applied my concealer, which is under my eye, my nose, and then on my cheek. Now with powder, y'all, it really depends on the look you are going for, which depends on how much powder you use. So for a more natural look, I would use a little less powder. But for this look, I kind of wanted to, give what it's supposed to be given. So I'm going to use a little bit more powder, and I'm just going to dab it under my eyes and around my mouth, and then do my cheekbones. And I'm going to let that sit for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to wipe it off. Now, keep in mind, the longer you keep the powder on, the brighter you'll be, okay? And you don't want to be that bright. Like, we're trying to get matte, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're trying to get glamorous, okay? So when you're wiping your powder off, you want to use like a fluffy, like light fluffy brush, like the lightest brush you have. And just go ahead and go over your face. And then you want to take your foundation brush, and what you want to do is dab it on the side of your nose, and then start from your forehead and make like the number 3 on the side of each side of your face. I hope this is making sense, what you guys can see, but this is just gonna tone it down so that you don't look ghosty. So if you put on your makeup and you look a little ghosty, just get your foundation brush, and you don't even have to add any more foundation to it. Just use whatever little bit is left over and just dab it in a 3, and it's gonna kind of tone everything down, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm gonna do is get this same pink color, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline just to give it a little oomph, just a little oomph. And then I'm gonna go in and put on my mascara. So the lashes that I have been using lately have been magnetic lashes. I am trying to get some so that I can sell them on my site, because to me, y'all, magnetic lashes are the easiest lashes that I've ever put on. They are super, super, super easy to put on and to remove. So as you can see right here, that's what I'm doing. It comes with this special glue, and put the glue on like you're doing a little, wing liner, and then the lashes are just gonna go on like super, super easy. And then what I would recommend is that you kind of pinch your lashes and the magnetic lashes together, just so that it'll look, natural. All right, y'all. So after that, I am done with my makeup, and I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair look like, okay? And here it is. If you want to see the review on this wig, I will list it below. And with my reviews, I show how I install it as well. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will list that below. But this was a super easy, super cute tutorial. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on TikTok at Slayed by Tamia. Bye.